Performance-based budgeting is a budgeting method that focuses on the results or outcomes of government programs and activities rather than just the amount of money spent. In simple words, money is given based on performance, not just needs or past budgets. Performance-based budgeting, PBB, is a budgeting method where money is allocated based on the performance or results achieved by a department, program, or organization. Features of performance-based budgeting: focus on results. The main goal is to measure performance, such as services delivered or improvements achieved. Clear objectives. Each program must define its goals and how success will be measured. Performance indicators. Use of specific indicators like number of people served, quality of service, or success rate. Accountability. Departments must prove that the money they spend is leading to actual results. Planning and monitoring. There is regular tracking of performance to improve future budgets. Advantages of performance-based budgeting: better use of public money. Funds are spent on programs that show results, avoiding waste. Improves transparency, makes it easier to understand how and where money is being used. Encourages accountability, departments become more responsible for achieving their goals. Supports decision making, helps in policy planning by showing which programs are effective. Motivates improvement, encourages staff and departments to perform better to secure funding. Limitations of performance-based budgeting: difficult to measure outcomes. Some results are hard to measure in numbers. Needs a lot of data, requires a strong data collection and monitoring system which may not exist everywhere. Can be costly and time-consuming. Setting up the system and tracking performance needs extra effort, staff, and money. Risk of manipulation: departments may inflate results or focus only on measurable tasks, ignoring important but less visible goals. Conclusion: performance-based budgeting is a modern approach that connects budgeting with results. It encourages better planning, accountability, and efficiency.